making it look, we're gonna do that prank that I saw on TikTok where we say the water is running from the toilet. It's gonna be great.
Okay, it's clogged.
What? No, not clogged. We have to say the water's running, otherwise he won't get the joke. Because like the water coming away from the toilet looks like, and you say the water's running from the toilet, like if water was spilling out. I don't know why I'm recording this and explain. You gotta sound urgent. Now, do it.
Whenever he's going to...
Okay. All right, we'll wait. Okay, here we go. Hope this works. Go. Oh shit.
Dad! Dad! There's water running from the toilet!
Oh, come on, Xander. Okay. That didn't work. We didn't get his reaction. It's okay, though. We'll try it on my stepmom when she gets home. Currently playing the waiting game. Waiting on Christy to come out of her room so I can trick her. Hopefully it works. I don't know if it will. Just gonna have to wait and edit this. I don't get a chance. I gotta be ready. Still waiting. Do 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 do. How long does it take to change into pajamas? Oh my god, it takes me like 2 seconds. Christy? There is water running out of the toilet.
Like out of the toilet?
Yeah, like out of the toilet.
Oh, you fucking dick face. I didn't even get it for a second.
April Fools!
I didn't even get it.
I tried to get Dad, and like he had a good reaction, but Xander didn't get it on camera, so I was like, damn it, I have to try it on Christy now.
What did he do?
He just kind of came in and he just went, and like walked out.
I was like, where the fuck is the nozzle? I wasn't even looking at that. I was trying to look for where the thing is so I could turn the fucking water off.
It was great. I got it on video too.
Did you really?
Yes.
Fuck you. Fuck you.
Yes. I was recording for like the past 4 minutes waiting for you to come out.
Oh, Jesus.
Yes, it worked. It worked.